Okay, learners, welcome back again. In this video, I'm gonna take you through. In this one, we're going to take you through. I'll just put it for you to try. Give it a try. Give it a try. Give it a try. I want you to give it a try and give it a try. Let's check. What do we have here? Write down the values of x, y, and r. And then up there, what are you given? You are given 17 cos b plus 15 is equal to 0. Let's look at this. Check it. How can we solve this one? Right. Now let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. Right. 17 cos beta plus 15 is equal to 0. Write down the values of x, y, and r formats. Then without using a calculator, determine the values of sine beta. Let's be quick. Try. We're going to win. Okay, now let's look at this one. All right, class. All right. In this one, what are we going to do? That's an easy stuff to do. Um, let's analyze our question first. Let's right, class. Let's analyze our stuff first. Write down the values of x, y, and r. Okay, what do we have here? So you're just going to construct first. We're going to construct. You call this one x, and this is you call this one y, and you call this one x. Okay, so after constructing, you first make this one cos. You start making cos subject of the formula. It will be cos beta is equal to minus 15 over 17. Okay, I hope we are clear on that one. I hope we are clear on that one. I hope we are clear. So after you make cos subject of the formula, it become easy for you to know, since where we are having y should be negative. Okay, y should be negative. When y is negative, this tells you that you're doing a very good job, because you know the quadrant where you should draw the what? You should draw your Cartesian plane. So by so doing, this one, or rather it's x, not y. So which means now we have x to be minus 5, and then my r is equal to 17. So I need y. I use theorem of Pythagoras. So we say x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And then what is your x? Is minus 5 squared. Y squared is equal to 17 squared. And then y is equal to 17 squared minus into minus 5 squared. We put it in a square root. And then y should be plus or minus. Don't forget about that. Y should be plus or minus. So square root of 17 squared minus 25. What is it that is going to give us? You are adding the 2, it's equal to 17. So 17 squared is 289. 289 minus 25, it gives us 264. Okay, so square root of 264 is plus or minus 2 root 66. Therefore, you take which one? The one which is negative. Negative 2 root 66. I don't know if that one is making sense. Write down the values of x, y. Oh, no. I made a mistake. Okay. Thank you so much. I made a mistake. Let me restart it. I made a mistake. I thought it's 5. All right. Thank you. I thought it's 5. So it's 15. Thank you so much. Thank you. I've started it over. So it's 15. So which means that on this other one, I'm going to use theorem of Pythagoras. That's y squared is equal to r squared. And then that will be minus 15 squared plus y squared is equal to 17 what? Squared. And then y squared is equal to 17 squared minus into negative 15 squared. Then y is equal to the square root of. See, so now I think it's becoming more and more clear. So 17 squared plus 25. I don't know if that one is making sense on your side. I mean minus 224. We're getting 289 minus 225. And then plus or minus. When you put a square root, it should be plus or minus. So the answer will be plus or minus square root of 64, which is 8. It will be plus or minus 8. Therefore, y, we're going to take the one which is negative, because this is on the what? On the negative side. All right. We take the one on the negative because it's on the negative what? It's on the negative side. I hope now it's clear. I hope now it's clear, and yeah, that's what we are having. Yes, so you take the one which is what? The one which is negative, because these things are on the negative side. Right now we are being told find sine. It's opposite. It's minus 8 over 17. Remember, this is 17. This is minus 5, and this is minus 8. So when we are looking for this, it become easy for us to work it out. Okay. And then now, what about on this one? Cos 30 is a special angle. Cos 30 is the same as root 3 over 2, and then you square that. What about tan? Tan beta is equal to negative 8 over negative 5, which is 8 over 5. Then you replace it here, 8 over 5. Then from here, you press your calculator. See? From there, you press your calculator. And then that is what we are going to have. It will be open bracket. It will be open bracket, square root of 3 over 2, close the bracket, and then you square it. You multiply by 8 over 5. That is what we have. And then the answer is, press your calculator, it's 6 over 5. That is what we are having. All right, so meaning that our last question that we're going to do is this one. That x is equal to 2,22. How do you solve for this? It's x is equal to arctan 2,22. Then you press your calculator. Arctan 2,22. 2,22. Then the answer will be 65,75 degrees. All right, so that is the thing about this question. I hope we are clear on that one. Okay, I wish you the best. Yeah, you can navigate on our channel. We are going to find some few more videos that you can go through, and those videos can make you ready for examination. All right.